Hi students, welcome to NSRIT and NEET Academy. This is the fifth session of trigonometry for junior inter students. So in this session, first one is multiple trigonometric ratios of multiple trigonometric ratios completed. Next is submultiple trigonometric ratio formulas. So first one is, so already you know sin 2a formula. Sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a cos a. Now by using that we can write sin a formula is 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2. So submultiple angle means half of the angles. So sin 2a formula is 2 sin a cos a. By using that we can write sin a formula 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2. Next cos 2a formula is cos square a minus sin square a. So we can write as cos square a by 2 minus sin square a by 2. So cos a we have a formula in cos sin and sin terms and cos terms. In terms of sin we can write 1 minus 2 sin square a. 1 minus 2 sin square a. So we can write 1 minus 2 sin square a by 2. Next 2 cos square a minus 1. So we can write 2 cos square a by 2 minus 1. Next sin a formula in tan. So we have also formula in terms of tan. So 2 tan a by, so here 2 tan a by 2 by 1 plus tan square a by 2. So here also 1 minus tan square a by 2 by 1 plus tan square a by 2. So next third one is tan a. So tan a we can write as 2 tan a by 2 by 1 minus tan square a by 2. So using these formulas we can write sin a cos a formulas in square root of cos 2a terms. So we can write that formulas also. So sin a equal to plus or minus square root of, so here we get sin a equal to plus or minus square root of 1 plus or minus square root of 1 minus cos 2a by 2. But here we can write sin of a by 2 is equal to plus or minus square root of 1 minus cos a by 2. So here sin a we can write cos 2a here. If we write here cos a, here write sin a by 2. So similarly cos a by 2 plus or minus square root of 1 plus cos a whole by 2. So next tan a by 2 plus or minus square root of sin by cos. So we can write 1 minus cos a by 1 plus cos a. Next cot a by 2 plus or minus square root of 1 minus cos a by 1 plus, so here 1 plus cos a. So reverse of tan 1 plus cos by 1 minus cos j. So these are sin a by 2, cos a by 2, tan a by 2 and cot a by 2. So these are the submultiple of trigonometric ratios. So next by using this multiple and submultiple formulas we can find sin 18 value, 36 value, 54 and 72. So how to find that values? So first one is sin 18. So first sin 18 and cos 18. So let take it as a equal to 18 degrees. So take it as a equal to 18. So both side multiple with 5. Why here multiple with 5? 18 5 is 90. 18 5 is 90. We know the sin 90 minus theta and cos 90 minus theta. So that's why both side multiple with 5. Both side multiply with 5. So we get 5a equal to 5 into 18 90 degrees. So 5a we can write as 2a plus 3a equal to 90 degrees. Now 2a equal to 90 minus 3a. So here find sin 18. So both side apply sin. Both side apply sin. So we get sin 2a is equal to sin of 90 minus 3a. So sin 2a equal to sin 90 minus, this is theta. Suppose consider this 3a is theta, sin 90 minus theta cos theta. 90 minus theta in first coordinate, so sin changes into cos. So sin 2a equal to cos 3a. So sin 2a formula is 2 sin a cos a is equal to cos 3a formula 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. So 2 sin a into cos a equal to, so here take it as common, 1 cos a. So we get 4 cos square a minus 3. So 1 cos a get cancelled. So we get 2 sin a equal to 4 into, so cos square a, change in terms of sin. So cos square a we can write as 1 minus sin square a. Why here change in sin square? Because we are finding the value of sin 18. So right here cos square a write in terms of sin, that is 1 minus sin square a. So 4 into 1 minus sin square a minus 3. So we get 2 sin a equal to 4 into 1 4 minus 4 sin square a minus 3. So 2 sin a equal to 4 minus 3 1 minus 4 sin square a. So these two terms move this side, we get 4 sin square a, and also here 2 sin a is there, and 1 this side we get minus 1, take it as this is equation number 1. So equation 1 in terms of sin a quadrant equation, quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c. So this is also ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 form. So it is in terms of sin a. So equation 1 represent a quadratic equation in terms of sin a. So here we are finding sin a value. If we are finding x, we can write x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So here we are finding sin a, write sin a equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. In place of x, here sin a is there. So now sin a equal to, here a value 4, b value 2, c value minus 1, substitute here minus 2 plus or minus square root of b square 2 square 4 minus 4ac, 4 into 4 into minus 1 by 2 into a, 2 into 4 8. So we get sin a equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of minus into minus plus 4 4 is 16 by 8. So sin a equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 20 by 8. So square root of 20 we can write as 4 into 5. So square root of 4 2. So square root of 20 we can write 2 root 5 by 8. So we get sin A equal to, take it as common here, to -1 plus or minus root 5 by 8. So 2 4s are 8. So sin A equal to -1 plus or minus 5 by 4. So here we have one plus and one minus value, but A value is 18. So 18 in first quadrant. So A equal to 18, it is belongs to Q1 first quadrant. In first quadrant all positive. So sin A equal to root 5 plus, so plus root 5 minus 1 by 4. So here 5 plus root 5 minus root 5 is there, but we are taking only plus root 5 and minus 1. Why we are taking plus root 5? So A equal to 18, it is belongs to Q1. In first coordinate all positive. So A value is 19, so sin 18 is equal to root 5 minus 1 by 4. So this is the value of sin 18. So sin 18 value is root 5 minus 1 by 4. So sin 18 is an important one. So once again repeat, first take it A equal to 18 and both side multiple with 5. Why here multiple with 5? 5 into 18 is 90. You know the sin 90 minus theta and cos 90 minus theta. So that's why both side multiple with 5, we get 5a equal to 90. 5a we can write as 2a plus 3a. So you know the sin 2a formula and sin 3a formula. So after 3a move this side, we get 90 minus 3a. So both side apply sin. Why? Because we are finding sin value. So sin 2a equal to sin 90 minus theta. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. So here apply sin 2a formula, here cos 3a formula. So here take it as common, cos a and cos a get cancelled. Next sin 2 sin a equal to, in place of cos square write 1 minus sin square a, then after multiple 4a. So simplify this, we get one quadratic equation in terms of sign. So here apply roots formula, minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, and substitute this value and simplify. We get sin a value in two terms, means two values, plus or minus value, plus root 5 and minus root 5. But a value is 18, it is belongs to Q1, in first coordinate all positive. So that's why sin a is positive. So sin a value is equal to root 5 minus 1 by 4. So next cos 18, already you know the sin 18 value. We have a formula of both sin and cos, that is sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1. So using this we can write cos square a equal to 1 minus sin square a, and cos a equal to square root of 1 minus sin square a. Now cos a means a value 18. So cos 18 equal to square root of 1 minus sin square 18. So already you know the sin value. So here substitute that sin 18 is root 5 minus 1 by 4 whole square. Now square root of 1 minus root 5 minus 1 whole square by 4 square 16. So 16 multiply here, we get square root of 16 minus, apply here a minus b whole square formula, a square root 5 square is 5, next plus 1 square 1 minus 2ab, 2 into root 5 into 1, 2 root 5 by 16. So next is equal to square root of 16 minus 5 plus 1 6. So minus 6 minus 2 root 5 by 16. So square root of 16 minus 6 minus into minus plus 2 root 5 by square root of 16. So square root apply both numerator and denominator. So 16 minus 6 10. So 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4. So this is the value of cos 18. So you know the sin 18 value by using the formula sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So we can find the value of cos 18. So value of cos 18 is square root of 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4. So you know sin 18 and cos 19, we get find the value of sin 72 and cos 72. So sin 72 we can write as sin 19 minus 18. So sin 90 minus 18, 72. So sin 90 minus theta cos theta. So 90 minus theta in first coordinate. So here 9 is there. Sin 90 minus theta cos 18. So cos 18 value square root of 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4. So this is the value of sin 72. So sin 72 value is equal to cos 18. So similarly cos 72. So cos 72 we can write as cos 90 minus 18. So cos 90 minus 18, 72. So cos 90 minus theta sin theta, that is sin 18. So sin 18 value root 5 minus 1 by 4. So this is the value of cos 72. So cos 72 value is equal to sin 18 and sin 72 value is equal to cos 18. So you know the formula, so know the values of sin 18 and cos 18, we get the values of sin 72 and cos 72. So we have a proof of sin 18, this is very important. So you learn the proof also. So you know the sin 18 value. So by using sin 18 we get cos 18 and sin and cos 18, sin 18 cos 18, you know these two values. By using these two we can find these two, sin 72 and cos 72. So 18 and 72 completed. Next 36 and 54. So find first cos 36. Cos 36 value. So take it as a equal to 18. Let a equal to 18 degrees. So both side multiple with 2, we get 36. 18 to the 36. So both side multiply with 2. So you can both side multiple with 2, we get 2 into a, 2a equal to 18 to the 36. So apply here both side cos, both side apply cos. So we get cos 36 equal to cos 2a. So cos 2a formula in sin 1 minus 2 sin square a. So 1 minus 2 sin square a. In place of a write 18 degrees. Why? Because we are considering a equal to 18. So 1 minus 2 sin square 18. So you know the value of sin square 18 is root 5 minus 1 by 4 whole square. So 1 minus 2 into root 5 minus 1 whole square, a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. 2 into root 5 into 1 by 4 square 16. So here cancel, 2 8 is 16. So it is equal to 1 minus of root 5 square value 5 plus 1 square value 1 minus 2 into root 5 into 1, 2 root 5 by 8. So here 8 into 1 8 minus 5 plus 1 6 minus 6 minus into minus plus 2 root 5 by 8. So 8 minus 6 2. So 2 plus 2 root 5 by 8. So take it as common to here, we get 1 plus root 5 by 8. So 2 4 is 8. So we get root 5 plus 1 by 4. So this is the value of cos 36. So cos 36 equal to root 5 plus 1 by 4. So by using this we can find sin 36. So sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So sin A we can write as square root of 1 minus cos square A. So in place of A, substitute here 36, we get 1 minus cos square 36. So already we get cos 36 value. So square root of 1 minus root 5 plus 1 by 4 whole square. So sin 36 equal to square root of 1 minus, here apply a plus b whole square, root 5 square 5 plus 1 square 1 plus 2 into root 5 into 1, 2 root 5 by 4 square 16. So sin 36 equal to, so 16 multiply here, 16 minus 5 plus 1 6, minus into plus minus 2 root 5 by 16. So 16 minus 6 10. So sin 36 degrees equal to square root of 10 minus 2 root 5 by root 16 value 4. So this is the value of sin 16. So sin 36 value. So sin 36 equal to square root of 10 minus 2 root 5 by 4. So by using this sin 36 and cos 36, we can find sin 54 and cos 54. So sin 54 we can write as sin 90 minus 36. So sin 90 minus theta cos theta. So sin 90 minus 36 equal to cos 36 is equal to root 5 plus 1 by 4. So sin 54 value is equal to cos 36. Next cos 54. So cos 54 we can write as cos 90 minus 36. So cos 90 minus theta sin theta we can write this is sin 36. So sin 36 value root 10 minus 2 root 5 by 4. So this is the value of cos 54. So sin 54 value is equal to cos 36 and cos 54 value is equal to sin 36. So these are the values of sin 36, cos 36, sin 54 and cos 50. So this is the value chart. Already you know this all values, write in chart. So first sin 15. So here 5 is there, write here 3, root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. So sin 15 value is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Next sin 18 value root 5 minus 1 by 4. Root 5 minus 1 by 4, negative negative. Next sin 36 square root of 10 minus 2 root 5 by 4. Next sin 54. So same value but here plus root 5 plus 1 by 4. Next sin 72 same value with positive, that is 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4. Next sin 75. So sin 15 sin 75 same but here write root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. So these are the values of 15, 18, 36, 54, 72, 75 of sin. If you know the sin values, so continuously write reverse of cos. So sin 15, so sin 75 value is equal to cos 15, that is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Next sin 72 value is equal to cos 18, that is square root of 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4. Next sin 54 is equal to cos 36, that is root 5 plus 1 by 4. Next cos 54 is equal to sin 36, that is square root of 10 minus 2 root 5 by 4. Next write here root 5 minus 1 by 4 and finally root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. So these are the value chart of 15, 18, 36, 54, 72, 75 of sin and cos. So this table is very important. Remember this all values. So today's session is completed. If you have any doubt, call my number. I will clarify your doubts. Take care. Bye bye.